In this video, we will calculate the retention rate. Retention rate measures your business's ability to keep customers over a specific period. Calculate your customer retention rate or CRR and track your overall share. Let's begin with the time period. It could be annual, quarterly, monthly, or a custom period. Well, let's use a simple example to illustrate this, okay? Now, let's take a look at the number of customers we have at the very start. So, tell me, how many customers do we actually have at the start? For example, let's consider a scenario with 500 customers. Now imagine that some new customers are added to that base. Let's use a concrete example to illustrate this. At the very end of the reporting period, the final count of new additions is 50. Customers at the end, for example, so if we calculate that out, the final total comes to exactly 480. Okay, now that we have the data, let's move forward and calculate the retention rate. Once we have those figures, we can take a closer look and carefully analyze the results to see what they really mean. Perfect. And our retention rate is 86%. As we can see here, the number of existing customers that we have retained is this figure, and the number of customers that we have lost is this one. It is a critical metric for us to track. And the total. If we take a closer look at the data, we can see that the current churn rate is exactly this number. Okay. Here is some detailed explanation for you, and you can certainly expand your information more and more, really going into much greater depth as you explore the topic further. And of course, here is the specific reference for this, which you can use to verify the facts and conduct your own additional research on the subject matter. Calculator. This is how we calculate retention. Here, you can copy, report, or share on WhatsApp or Telegram. Hope this video is clear.